Sorry guys, my friend just clicked
it's
out.
the ironing board.
Oh, I'm free.
Stand in front of. Have you got a warmer job? Go put a warmer job.
No, this is warm as. And heat cannot beat this. It looks like it's about to snow. It is about to snow. Oh my gosh.
Anyway, I was trying to ring the council to say, can they come and empty my bin? And then I had to hang up because of the hail.
Guys, we've just been in a hailstorm. My sister's up there. She's trying to figure out what is this. I picked up one piece. And I put it on Kendra's device. It is literally crazy, guys. It's literally crazy. Oh, it's crazy. Even my device is wet. But it's still holding. No,
my device isn't that wet except for you falling on.
It's literally been crazy. Oh, I cannot believe it. I'm literally, my heart's racing. It's bad. It feels, I just want to see this. I've never seen hail in my life. Never.
Not like that, you haven't.
No, never like that. Well, I've seen hail, but it hasn't been that bad. I've seen hail like at school once. It's like really, like not that. It was like really good. That's like wasn't going like that one before, but now it's just bad. We can go outside, but I'm gonna do that once when we get home from dropping off Ange and my little sister.
Really slippery, Ange, and I don't want to.
And the road is literally going to be all slippery.
Yeah, and just to tell you, I'm gonna go down to my dad's, and I bet the front yard will be full of ice.
Don't listen to her.
Hey.
There's sometimes pranks. Literally, have a look at that.
It's all melted.
Guys, last time it was just flooded up with ice. It's in our backyard's like flooded now. And we
How
can
much ice is hooked up on the fence?
and have a look at much ice.
Like it's not melting.
Here, move this. Look at it now.
Have a look at it.
It's all hooked up there, everywhere.
It's like I just want to see snow, guys. Oh, guys, I just cannot believe it. We've been in the storm and now it's hailing. Now we're about to leave to go in that hail. The roads are going to be slippery. Oh, guys, I can't take this because we're about to lose connection. I think the storm's about to lose connection. Anyway. Oh, we can't even call. My mom's just still standing there, still trying to call. She's still not calling. It's literally been crazy. Guys, if you like the video, I am the puppet master here. On the awesome. Whoa, what happened to my voice? Seems like I'm a little cute again. But anyway, I am the puppet master 75. She's the awesome gamer, or she's the awesome girl.
Or you can just call me the puppet girl for short.
Puppet girl, yeah. Yeah, guys, if you like the video,
think
please subscribe. And we'll do more of this hail stuff. Maybe in the next video, once we come home, if there's still ice, like hail, I can pick it up and show you guys the hail. But yeah, guys.
Over there.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, guys. You guys are awesome. Bye.